Hey gamers, want to play your Steam library without a gaming PC? I will show you how to set up Steam Link to play directly on your mobile device or even your TV. Let's jump in. First of all, download the Steam Link app on your smartphone, tablet, or smart TV. It's free on the App Store and Google Play, so go ahead and install it. Instead of needing a PC, you can use services like NVIDIA GeForce Now, which are compatible with Steam Link. This lets you access your Steam library from the cloud. Just log into your GeForce Now account, sync it with your Steam account, and you are ready to go. To complete your setup, connect a Bluetooth controller to your device. Steam Link supports most controllers, and trust me, it will make the experience so much smoother. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can enjoy your favorite Steam games without needing a gaming PC. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more gaming tips. Happy gaming!